Good morning, meow meow. Meow meow. Good morning, meow meow. We have 3 kittens. Look at that. Hipon, no? Hipon talangka. Please welcome candidate number 1, Miss Abigail K. Katag. All the way from Manila. Representing Hipon talangka. Tingin ka naman, B. Hindi ka nila magkita para makadiscover ng APAB. Tayo ngayon? Tour A. What? Tour A. Saan tayo pupunta doon?
5 destination. Big Lagoon.
Big Lagoon yan?
Yeah, Big Lagoon. And other beach.
Mas niya pa talaga yung pan.
Nasaan yung cup niya? Yung cup niya. Eh, lagyan mo siya ng cup.
Hey, look at mommy.
Look at me.
Look, mommy.
May shade siya doon. Nakalimutan ko na sa bag niya.
Dami na namin gawin.
Okay naman dyan.
Kuya, yung bakla. Vlogger, guys.
May remembering sa mga.
I'm here to Branigan Travel and Tours, okay? So by the way, the name of our boat is Branigan Pipay Gamay. So what's the name of our boat?
Branigan.
Pipay Pipay Dako. Pipay Gamay po. Okay? Gamay lang. So the
Gamay,
color
di
is
dako.
white and blue one po. So you must be careful because in the island there's a lot of boat. Same size, same color, but different name po. Okay? So before we start, so we would like to introduce you ourselves. By the way, my name is Vince. What's my name? Vince. I'll be your handsome tour guide for today. Are you agree?
Yeah.
Agree? Thank you so much. Okay. So I would like to introduce to you my partner, also a local tour guide here, Jojo. Okay. So the very important person at the boat today. So we have Captain Leocar. Leocar. So we have the boat, the anchorman, the aquaman, the lifeguard that learned to swim yesterday. Lagoon. Okay, so don't tell me what is inside of the secret lagoon because it's secret for now. Okay, so secret lagoon, and then the third spot. So can you guess what is the third island?
Water toy.
My favorite place, which is the lunch area. Okay. All right, ready? 1, 2, 3, go! There you go, perfect. All right. 1, 2, 3, tuloy ko ay. All right, ready? Isa pa. All right, there you go.
Lagyan. Oh.
Okay, ready? And hi! And one more. Hi ulit. See you. Hi lang. One last po. Hi! Dalawa kamay. Wave na kamay. Dalawa. 1, 2. And tap po natin. Oh. Wait mo.
Go.
Yeah. Wag na! Diyan ka na lang! Uy! Putrang scam! Gusto mo talaga maging kwento ah! Okay na, dito ka banda. Dito ka banda sa gitna niyan, te. Yun na, nakikita may buko sa legat na sa likod mo. Yan, te. Diyan, ang ganda niyan. Portrait. Yeah. 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 Ang ganda. Isa pa. Sige, yan. Yan, ganon. Ganon. Pa-sexy niyan. Okay. Ah, Dani. Kuya. Dali mo muna si Destiny. Nihit. Dito. Oo nga. Yan daw, kuya, ang ganda dyan. Portrait. Okay. 1, 2. Huwag ka na mag-t-shirt. White ka na lang. Huwag ka na mag-t-shirt, tapos mag-white ka na lang. Okay. Okay, Destiny. Look at me. Yeah, your pose, pose. Yeah, pose. Video na to. Tapos na picture. Video. Kawai. Oh, pinaturan ka na kayo. Ang ganda nga eh, portrait. Oh, kaway kayo. Naglalakad kayo. Hawak-hawak kayong kamay. Hawak-hawak niyo si Destiny. Ang ganda. Super ganda nung portrait. Yeah. Portrait mo, katay video ko 1.5. Hindi pa. Ano pa na 1.5? Kain na tayo, be. Be. Video ko na mag-isa, te. Para lagyan sa YouTube. Yan, ganyan-ganyan ka. Kunyari, ang galing ng swimming. Nag-floating-floating. Wow! Ang ganda! Ang ganda!
Kasi pro.
Meron ako dyan video. Hi! Let's swim. Wow. Hey, you guys.
Hello guys, we are in Big Lagoon here in Alido, Palawan.
Look,
Come and visit here.
What's that? What's that?
Kaya pala masarap sumisip na may sunglass kasi hindi masakit sa mata.
Kahit naman ano yung nakabdila ko.
Hindi masyadong maalat.
Hindi masyadong maalat.
One, two, three, kaway kaway. Yeah. Alright, one more time, one more time, one more time. Alright, lapit, lapit. Takpan mo. Ta! Samian! Samian!
So pretty!
Oh, God. That's nice.
I like it. Yeah, I like it.
Ano yung pinapakain nila?
Honey.
Ay, kanin.
Yeah.
Kanin pala ang kanin. Oo, naghan dyan. Lagyan ko ng alin.
Kira ko sa ilalim. You scared? Come on, hold in my bag. Tara. Hold to my bag. No, bigyan ko ng pagkain. Hold to my bag lang.
Han!
Hold to my bag.
Ha?
Yeah!
Yeah! Wow!
Okay.
You like it?
You like it? You like it?
Mahal, ano siya? Alam niya, hindi siya takot pag alam niyang magaling ko. Pero kung hindi man, no.
Ito, ate. Fish, so many fish. Look at there, oh. Fish in the bottom. At the bottom of the ocean.
Ayan, ano. Ako nga kanina, video nga kanina.
Maganda yung cover ko, hindi na naman na ito dinala.
Hindi niya nga dinala ko yung cover ko, yung mabansa yung...
Di mo naman kasi dinala yung cover ko, binidyoan ko sana yan. Talaga to eh.
Dapat hindi mo na binigay sa kanya.
Pinahinang pa lang sa kanya. Pagising ko.
Kaya nga dapat hindi mo binigay.
Nakuha na nga. More fish, oh. Careful. Be careful.
Hawak ka sa tali.
Oh, dito tayo. Be, magbigay tayo. Dito. Mga fish. Dito, ano? Sabibe. Pwede mo yung cellphone niya. Lagay mo sa... Dari, picture natin.
Sabi mo lobat. Hindi pala lobat yung cellphone mo.
Lobat lang pero hindi shot lang.
Lobat na!
Diba? Hindi ka na-stuck na, no?
See that? Oh my God, that's a lot.
Wow, fish, diba?
Oh my God, be. Go get some, be. Go get some fish. Go get some fish. Come on. Oh my God. See that? Ang ganda, oh. Alam ko ba nanay taga-picture?
Kaya nga eh. Nakakuha ka ng taga-video ah. Doon na lang daw ako marunong lumangoy.
Scared?
No. He said no. Hold, Daddy, hold.
There we go.
Yeah, we're done. Ihuli niya yung green. Wanna catch some fish, ba? Oh my God. You can do it? See that? Oh my God, that's a lot.
Wow. Fish, huh?
Oh my God, man. Go get some, babe. Go get some fish. Go get some fish. Come on. Oh my God. See that?
May CR dyan. May CR. Ay, putang na. Abby! Abby, mag-vlog ka na! Let's go, guys. Let's buy some halo. Yung mga favorite nila naglalagi sa kanila.
Naglalaro ng volleyball. Oh, look at that castle. Pumunta pa siya sa tubig dun. No, you can sit here. Here! This way! This way! Say hi! See that? You like them? Hi, sir. What is that?
Halo-halo.
Wow. Is that special?
Yeah, I think it's special.
Did you mix it already? Or not yet? Oh, thank you so much, sir.
No problem.
Wow. Drink. What is that?
Money.
Money? Oh my God. Oh, what is this? Ano to, bisukle? Napulot mo?
Ito ng bakla. Dito, grabe kayo. Ito, grabe.
Mabulin sa tutoy ng bakla din. Saan tayo doon? Oo, teka po. Uy, mahal, sabi niya. Puta, ito mo fly. Green light.
May lobster doon.
Oo, sa kanya yun. Kita mo na.
Wala yung lobster, mga sa
Mine?
Yeah.
Boy, right here. Right here.
Thank you, Maurice. Ha? Ganda mo na.
Ganyan ka nangangagat.
Guys.
Pinakamahal na lobster na namin. Asan yung pagkakita?
Daw.
Gusto mo tumingin sa'yo?
Laki niya, no?